Hi guys, do your edges look like this? Are you having a receding hairline and you wish to grow them out in a short period of time? This oil I'm going to share with you guys will really help you a lot to make your edges go from this to this. Alright, so keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Viola Dindo, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you all how to make a very powerful hair growth oil that will help you grow out your edges in a very short period of time. If you're having a receding hairline or thinning edges, this video is definitely for you. So guys, the ingredients we'll be using for this hair growth oil are garlic and onions. As you can see in the video, let's first of all go ahead and peel off the onions and the garlic. So guys, as we do that, let me share with you all the benefits of using onion and garlic on your natural hair. Onion and garlic contain sulfur, and sulfur helps to strengthen the hair strands, making them less prone to breakage. Onion and garlic contains antifungal properties that helps to treat any kind of scalp infections that you might be suffering from. If you're having any scalp issue, um onion and garlic oil contains the nutrient that is going to help you get rid of any kind of scalp issue that you may be suffering from. All right, so guys, this combination also helps to stimulate growth because they contain the nutrient that your hair needs. They contain the nutrient that are very healthy and beneficial to your scalp. So guys, I'm going ahead now to cut the ingredients into tiny pieces. I'm done cutting the onions, and right now I'm cutting the garlic into tiny pieces, as you can see. So right now I'm done cutting them into tiny pieces. As you can see, you don't have to grind it, because if you grind it there will be so much water in it, and we are not using the frying method, we are using the double boiling method to create our powerful hair growth oil. Right now I've added the ingredients into my jar. Guys, I'll be using a cooking oil for this hair growth oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You can use olive oil or any oil you have. If you want to use a cooking oil, please use the one that doesn't saturate at room temperature. Use a good oil. All right, so after adding the quantity of oil that I need, you can add the quantity that is enough for your ingredients. Okay, so now I'm going to be placing it into a pot of water, as you can see, and allow it to boil for like 5 minutes or more. So guys, as you can see, the water is boiling, and at this point the nutrients are being infused into the oil. I'll keep on shaking it at intervals to make sure that the oil is infused properly. Right now I've off my gas, but I still left it in the hot water for it to infuse more. So now I've brought it out, and this is what my oil looks like. This is what the oil looks like. The onions and garlic are looking pale, like they are no longer looking as they were looking the time I started boiling it. They look like cooked onions already, because the nutrient has been infused into the oil. So right now I'll go ahead and strain it, separating the ingredients from the oil, and this is what our oil looks like. So guys, this oil is beneficial for your natural hair growth. If you're suffering from a receding hairline, if your edges are breaking off excessively, if you lost your edges due to a protective hairstyle, try this oil and you will see the result within 2 weeks. Yes guys, I'm not capping. You are going to see results within 2 weeks of using this hair growth oil. So right now, let's go ahead and apply this oil on my edges. I'll be applying it on my edges in this video, but you can go ahead and use it all over your scalp because it will really benefit you. But guys, for the purpose of this video, I'll be using it just on my edges to show you all how I actually massage my edges using this hair growth oil. So I took a little of the oil into my palms, then I'm using my fingers to dab the oil on my edges. I will also be applying it on at the nape of my neck, as you can see, because sometimes I pull off my hair at the back. That is what I'm trying to overcome, but guys, I'm getting there. As I'm massaging my scalp, you can see that I am not scratching but massaging. You don't scratch your scalp, but you roll the skin around. That is what they call massaging, alright? And that is what I'm actually doing here. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. If you haven't liked this video yet, please go ahead and click on the like button. Leave a comment for me in the comment section if you have tried using this hair growth oil, and also share this video to those that you know it will be beneficial to. All right, thank you so much guys for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.